Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry milkshake. It's so simple and so easy to make. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show the measurements to make for just one person. If you want to make it for many number of people, you can adjust the quantity accordingly. I've taken 8 numbers of medium-sized fresh strawberries. I've cut them into 4 pieces and now adding into the blender. To this, add 1 cup of cold milk. Instead of fresh strawberries, you can also use the same quantity of frozen strawberries. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of unrefined sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste level, and even if you prefer, you can skip adding sugar and you can make the milkshake without any sugar, because the strawberry by itself will have some sweetness in it. I've blended it to a smooth texture, and if you prefer, you can store it in the refrigerator for some time before serving, but now I'm going to serve it right away. Let's transfer this into a serving glass. To make it even more delicious, I'm going to top it up with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also use strawberry flavored ice cream. And that's all. Such a simple and very tasty strawberry milkshake is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.